formatted short videos in minutes. It is packed with features that can help you streamline your video production process, from ideation to editing and publishing. In the article, GoofyShortAi Review, Transformed Goofy Short Invention Production with AI Glamour Honest Review, the author discusses how GoofyShortAi has transformed the video production process for GoofyShort, a company that specializes in creating educational short videos about inventions. Before using GoofyShortAi, GoofyShort's video production process was time-consuming and labor-intensive. It would often take weeks to produce a single video. However, since using GoofyShortAi, GoofyShort has been able to streamline its video production process significantly and now produces videos in a few days. The author also discusses the pros and cons of GoofyShortAi. The pros include its AI keyword-to-video generator, AI voice-overs, AI script writer, large library of video templates and assets, powerful video editor, easy-to-use interface, and ability to publish videos directly to social media and other platforms. The cons include the fact that some of the AI features can be buggy at times and the pricing can be a bit high for some users. Overall, the author highly recommends GoofyShortAi to anyone who wants to create high-quality short videos quickly and easily. In particular, the article discusses how GoofyShortAi has transformed the video production process for GoofyShort in the following ways. AI keyword-to-video generator. GoofyShort now uses GoofyShortAi to generate scripts and video storyboards for its videos. This saves GoofyShort a lot of time and effort, especially since it produces videos on a wide variety of inventions. AI voice-overs and AI script writer. GoofyShort also uses GoofyShortAi to create high-quality AI voice-overs and AI-written scripts for its videos. This allows GoofyShort to create professional-looking videos without having to hire voice actors or script writers. Streamlined workflow. GoofyShortAi has helped GoofyShort to streamline its video production workflow significantly. GoofyShort now uses GoofyShortAi for all aspects of its video production, from ideation to editing and publishing. This has allowed GoofyShort to increase its video production output by 500%. Overall, the article, GoofyShortAi Review, Transformed Goofy Short Invention Production with AI Glamour Honest Review, is a positive review of the AI-powered video production tool GoofyShortAi. The article discusses how GoofyShortAi has transformed the video production process for GoofyShort, making it faster, more efficient, and more professional. The article also discusses the pros and cons of GoofyShortAi, and overall, highly recommends it to anyone who wants to create high-quality short videos quickly and easily.